it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, can you even see that? Stitch Fix. Y'all, I've been hitting the jackpot with jeans lately. Y'all know this from those Good American jeans, Rebel Wilson jeans, and then I just got those celebrity pink jeans that I tried on at Belk in my Shop With Me video I just posted. I ended up ordering those online later. Those just came in. So jeans and me this fall season, we're gonna get along and I'm really happy about it. And in this month's box, I think this is number, I don't even know what number it is. We won't even try to guess. But I have a pair of jeans and I really like them. God, okay. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, how it works, you pay a $20 a month styling fee. A stylist takes that money, curates a box for you based on your likes, your dislikes, your Pinterest board, your requests. You get a box in the mail of 4 or 5 items. You try them on. What you like, you keep and pay for. What you don't like, you send back in this like pre-done little packing slip, and you're just out your 20 bucks. But they do discounts, like if you keep one thing, you get that $20 deducted from that item. If you keep everything, you get 25% off. Most boxes do some sort of discount like that to kind of like lure you in. I know they do it because it's like cheaper to keep everything. I know what they're doing and they get me like all the time. All right, so while I'm rambling, let's get into the clothes. I've already tried everything on, so I have an idea of what I like and what I kind of don't like. And then at the end, we'll recap and talk about it. So my stylist this month is Liz, and they always send you this little one sheet with your stylist note in the top corner, and then a list of items that you have in the box and how you can dress them and pair them and style them and all that fun stuff. So we won't read that note because I know that y'all are here for the clothes. So let's just get into the clothes. I don't even want to make you wait for these jeans. I just want to show them to you because that's how excited I am. So these are the brand Vigos Jagger Skinny Jean. They're in a size 20. It says classic fit, and these, I'm obsessed with the color, number one. I just think these are such a great flattering color of jean. They're skinny at the bottom, so you could tuck them in boots, you could wear them with little tennis shoes. Like there's so many different options, but the color was really what got me. I thought, I don't own a pair of jeans that color, number one, and they fit great. They're not high-waisted, so they fit probably an inch below my belly button, which is a little bit different for me, but I like it. So I went in, oh, it says authentic stretch. Real authentic denim look and feel, engineered for maximum comfort. They are comfortable. That's for sure. So these are the Erica Skinny Jean. The color is indigo. They're in a size 20 and they're $68. Before we get into anything else, I went in before this box came and updated my style profile to reflect different sizes. So the last few boxes, like the sizes have been a little bit small for me. So I went in and upped the sizes in all the categories. And I don't know if I should have done that. I feel like maybe I'm in between sizes because the tops seem a little bit large. You'll see. Okay, let's get into the next thing. This orange color, y'all. How pretty. This reminds me of a top that I tried on in that Belk Inside the Dressing Room Shop With Me video. It's just a beautiful like pumpkin, like burnt orange, like such a great fall color. This is the brand Market and Spruce. It's in a size 3X. I love the style. I love the length. I love the color. I think that it's just a little bit too big. This is called the Philly Mixed Material Tunic, burnt orange, and it's $68. Okay, well when I read it's a tunic, that makes a little bit more sense on why it's so long. I love it. I just think, see, I don't know if I need a size smaller. Y'all let me know what you think because the chest area fit perfect and maybe like a size smaller may pull, like these buttons may pull a little bit. But if it's meant to be a tunic, you could wear this with like those like leather looking leggings from Torrid and some boots and like a big scarf. That would be really pretty. So this one was another favorite. I really did love this. Now let's get into this tank top. This is the brand Hutch. It's in a size 3X and it's this black tank top with like leather panels on the arms, like right around the armpit. And it goes, it's on the front and it's on the back. It doesn't go down like into the armpit area. This is cool. It's a little bit too big too. Like you can see my bra, like the armhole opening is a little bit big. I like the idea of it if it fit better. Like maybe if it were a different style. I love these leather panels. Like maybe if it weren't round neck and it was like low cut and showed some cleavage and had like the cool leather panels like down the cleavage, and maybe if it were a little bit longer, because then you could wear it like standalone with like the same idea with like a pair of those leather looking leggings and some boots. I like it. I just think that I would have, if I were to make this top, I would make the style different. I like the panels and the color and the idea and the fabric. I just think I would make the style a little bit different. So this is called the Haxton Sleeve Detail Top in black, and it's $48. All right, last clothing item, and then we have some shoes. Y'all know I got a thing for shoes. Okay, so this is a hunter green, like soft cotton dress jacket. This is the brand Skies Are Blue. It's in a size 3X, but look how fun the inside is. How pretty is that? This is a great idea. However, it doesn't have pockets and it doesn't have a button. So you just wear it open. Is it meant to be baggy, or did I just get a size that was too large? Because I think this would be really pretty if it were a little bit cropped and fitted. I love the color and I love this fabric. It's really, really soft, and I do feel like it would actually keep you a little bit warm, but it's like a legit like work wear jacket. Like it's got these like cool little pockets that aren't actual pockets. So I like the idea, but like I said, I think that I may have kind of flubbed a little bit upping the sizes, because everything, not the jeans, but the other things seem to be a little bit large. Okay, so this is the Asa Model Knit Blazer Dark Green, and it's $88. Now let's get into the very last thing in this box. These, so I saw them in the sneak peek on the app when my box shipped, and I kind of laughed at them a little bit, like, how silly, I would never wear those. And then I put them on, and I really liked them. Okay, don't judge me. These are the Super GA. What are these actually called? These are called Canvas Platform Sneaker. The color is beige. They're $80. Also, they sent them to me in a 9.5, and they're too big. I think I could even go with an 8.5 because my toe doesn't even come close to the end. So these will give you about 1.5 inches, and they legit do. I put them on, wore them around the house. They're too big, like I said. They kind of were coming off my heel, but I felt like they made my legs look longer and maybe a little bit thinner. And I was like, do I like them or do I not like them? I'm torn. I'm torn on these, number one, because they're $80. And second off, is this even my style? Like, how cute are these for fall, though? With, like, some little dark skinny jeans and just a big sweater? Ugh. I don't know what to do. Okay, so the total for everything in my box is $352. If I keep every single thing, I get 25% off, which is $88, minus my $20 styling fee that I paid to get this box, and my order total is $244. So not bad for some really great staple pieces. I want to keep the jeans 100%, so I could keep the jeans for $48 because they're $68 and I get that $20 styling fee credited. I don't think that I'll keep anything. I don't know. I like that orange top too. Comment down below and let me know what you liked, what your favorite items were, and if I need to keep those shoes. $80 is a lot of money for a pair of like platform sneakers. So what I want to do in this video too is unbox a jewelry subscription box. I've done one box with Jewlybox a while back, and now they've kind of switched gears and they're a quarterly jewelry subscription box versus a monthly one. So this is the quarterly box. I'm so excited. All I've done was pop this open. I didn't look, I didn't peek. It's been sitting here waiting for me to film a video so that I could like look at it for the first time, and it's killing me. So let's open it. So this is the fall box. It says, "Hey Taren, welcome to your fall box. I'm so excited to see what you think this quarter. This time we're offering your subscribers half off their box with the code Taren50. Okay, so I'll put that on the screen. TAREN50, and you can get your first box for half off. That's cool. And I know that, let me tell you how much it is first. Okay, so 3 pieces of jewelry for $49 a quarter, or they have a Jewlybox Pearl option, 5 pieces for $69 a quarter. So you could do either of those and get it half off. All All right, so let's peek and see what's in it. Look how cute it is. It always comes with like the cutest little packaging. Last time I got these awesome earrings that were like gray tassel earrings. I was obsessed with them. 1, 2. Okay, so this is the 3. There's 3 items in here. So let's pull out the first one. And we have another pair of gray earrings. These are gaudy, and I'm into gaudy. Like, I feel like if you're gonna wear an earring and that's it, you wear something big. So here we go. These I'm sure will fall out once you like let them air out of the bag a little bit. These would be pretty with the top I'm wearing right now. Look how cute! I love these. I absolutely love those. Okay, so that's in the first little baggie. Let's get into the next little baggie. Oh my gosh, it's a dainty little necklace. I love that they package it like this. Can you see that? So that it doesn't get tangled. They leave this little part out. I get so frustrated when I get, is it a necklace or a bracelet? I think it's a bracelet. Okay, this is a bracelet and this is gorgeous. It's got this little like light pink stone feature. I believe it's rose gold. That is so pretty. That is so dainty and so pretty. That's gonna be really, really pretty this fall with like a big chunky sweater. I love that. Okay, last thing in here, we've got, are these earrings? These are pretty cool. If these are earrings, these are pretty cool. They are. Holy, like, take me back to the 80s and I'm here for it. Those are so different. And they were like packaged like this. Like how easy to store them. And then you just, bam. Those are cool. And these pieces, I do want to say too, are really good quality pieces. They're not cheap, you know, fall apart things. These are good staple pieces that are going to last you a while. So if you are interested in Jewlybox, I'll leave a link down below. Be sure to use that code Taren50. You get 50 bucks. You get 50% off your first box, which I think is a great deal. All right, so that is a wrap on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you liked the clothing subscription box and a jewelry subscription box. Let me know if you want to see more like dual videos like this. I feel like it will reach more eyes because there's more options for people. So hopefully you really enjoyed it. All right, so that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.